Asian. We always use chopsticks here. This is so good. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making an udon recipe. Very simple. Alright, here are the ingredients. We got some scallions. We got some white pepper powder. We got oyster sauce. We got sesame oil. We got black pepper, and we got 1 minced garlic and 1 defrosted udon. Let's get cooking. Alright, here are the ingredients. We got some scallions. We got some white pepper powder. We got oyster sauce. We got sesame oil. We got black pepper, and we got 1 minced garlic and 1 defrosted udon. Here we go. Heat up your pan at high heat. Alright, let's add our oil in. So you want just a layer of oil, not too much. Alright. Here we go. Our oil is hot now. Alright. Let's add our udon. Oh yeah, sizzling. Alright. Here we go. Oh yeah, fire action, let's go. Alright, next add your 1 clove of minced garlic. Alright, this is optional. I got some cooking wine, some Chinese cooking wine. To add a little bit in. Okay, just like that. Alright, next, you want around a tablespoon of oyster sauce, or just add a little bit in at a time and adjust to the coloration. Let it fry for a second. So it's just lightly brown, not too brown. Get some sesame oil. You want around 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. That's why I usually eyeball it. Alright, that was like around 1/2 teaspoon. Let's get some pepper action. Just a little bit of black pepper. Alright. Let's add our scallion. 1 full chopped scallion. Listen, you can add any protein you want or seafood. But I'm just not in the mood for that stuff. Alright. White pepper powder. Here we go. Let it cook for another 30 seconds, half a minute, and we're done. That simple. Alright, let's get a plate. Scrape off the udon first. Alright, top it off with some sesame seeds, and then that's it. Very simple and delicious recipe, let me tell you. Alright, boom, sesame seeds. Oh yeah, perfect. Let's add a little bit more right here. All right, let's go taste test. All right, guys. We have our udon. Oh, just look how good it is with the sesame seeds. All right. Asian. You always use chopsticks here. Okay. This is so good. The oyster sauce and the udon, they just go so well together. They could just be like married. So savory, delicious. The white pepper adds another element to this. Complements everything very well. Like, honestly, I've seen other people make this, but it's not simple and delicious. Like, they add freaking like chicken stock, like fuck that. They add just like a quarter teaspoon of ginger, like fuck that. Like, holy shit, if you're gonna put a quarter teaspoon in, why not just put it in? Like, it's a waste of my time cutting it. They're very delicious, literally 4 or 5 ingredients. Very good. It took me like less than a half an hour to make. That is it, guys, for today. Be sure to drop a like and show some love for this easy udon recipe. Bye.